Hello friend, welcome to JTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get a find people nearby on your Instagram and how to use it. So before we get started, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, if you get this option at your iOS and Android devices, you always need to update your applications from your Play Store and iOS stores. So first of all, go to your Play Store or iOS store and in the search bar type here Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first. As a page my screen you can see it's required update. First of all, we have to update it first. Now wait for a moment until it's updated. After updating the app, now it's time to find people nearby by using Instagram. Now simply go back, open your Instagram account and down the bottom you can see a search option. Simply tap it here. Now at the search bar, type here your current location city as like I am giving my city's name. Now page my screen you can see these are the posts which is shared by the your current located city peoples. Now you can find it accounts. You can also find these accounts related to your current city name. You can find these accounts related to your current city name. Now at forwarded you can see a option places. Simply tap it here. Now enter your current city name. Now page my screen you can see this is the map where you can see all your nearby peoples with locations. Now tap any of the account you want to see his profile. Like this, you can easily find people by using nearby at your iOS and Android devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related to this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.